योत्तमा अतोऽस्मिन् लोके वेदे च प्रतित पुरुषोत्तमा यो मामेवं सम्मूढो जानाति पुरुषोत्तमं स सर्वविद् भजति मां सर्वभावेन भारत इति गुह्यतमं शास्त्रम् इदमुक्तं मया नघ एतद्बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान् स्यात् कृतकृत्यश्च भारत ओम तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे पुरुषोत्तम योगो नाम पंचदशोऽध्यायः।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you. Thank you. I would request now Lindsay ma'am to say something about ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Lindsay ma'am. I would request everybody to please off or probably mute their devices. And yes, Lindsay ma'am.
Actually, my network is very bad, so then I can't hear clearly. Anyway, good evening, all my colleagues, my dear students. We have all gathered here on this very sad day to share our grief with the family members and with our colleagues and with our students on the sad demise of our teacher, Sri Lata Satyashilan. We all know Sri Lata as a very calm person and who had, so she was so positive and she radiated such a lot of positivity to everyone around her. We will really miss her. And on this day, I would just like to say a few lines. In life, we loved you dearly. In death, we love you still. In our hearts, you hold a special place no one else will ever fill. So, Sri Lata, we really will miss you, and we really hope that wherever you are, you will be happy and your soul will attain moksha. And our we extend a very heartfelt condolences to their family, and we will miss her, and we will pray that the Lord will her soul will attain moksha. And we will observe a 2-minute silence. If it is possible, we'll observe a 2-minute silence and pray for her soul. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
We
you.
will definitely. Thank you for Rana Day ma'am's prayer and the kind words of Lindsay. Ma'am, I would request Rosalie ma'am to say a few words right now.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you, Rosalie.
Yes, we can hear you.
Good evening, teachers. Good evening, all my friends. It's really sad to hear the demise of a very loving teacher, Sri Lata ma'am. She was like a very down-to-earth person, very close to us, very openly she used to speak to us, and we really miss her. We always wanted to go to her, and I don't know, it was not possible. We couldn't make it, and we will always feel bad for that. Thank you so much.
For your kind
May the
words.
departed peace.
Thank you. Leisure ma'am.
Yes. Good evening, madam. Good evening, my colleagues. Good evening, students. I am so sad to hear about our beloved Sri Lata teacher's sad demise. She my mentor. She was along with me when I joined 1998. She trained me. Now also, what all I am following in my teaching, I am following her. If anything is there, our Sri Lata teacher told me like that. Each and every, whenever I do it, anything related to our question paper, our Sri Lata teacher taught me like this. She said to do like this.
Thank you. Rana Day ma'am happened to pray, but I think she has something to say. Yes, Rana Day ma'am.
मैं बस श्रीलता के बारे में इतना ही कहूंगी, बहुत ही शांत और सबको मिलकर, सबके साथ मिलकर काम करने वाली टीचर थी, और कभी उसने ऐसा नहीं लोगों को जताया कि वो कुछ बड़ी है या उसे कुछ ज्यादा आता है। कभी भी वो अपने काम से काम रखती थी और सबको साथ में लेकर चलती थी। यही मेरी श्रद्धांजलि है।
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Geeta ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. My heartfelt condolences to Srilata's family, Srilata's son who is present over there, Shailesh. My heartfelt condolences to him. I've got nothing more to say, very down to earth person. And I pray wherever she is, the happiness and the love which was remaining to be received in this life, she achieved it. May her soul rest in peace. God bless. And again, my heartfelt condolences to our family. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We have only 10 minutes left. I would request Mohan sir to please say something.
Thank you. Good evening to everyone. पहले श्रीलता मैडम के बारे में बात करेगा तो मुझे याद आता है कि 1982 में मैंने ज्वाइन किया था नारायण गुरु स्कूल में, तभी मैं श्रीलता टीचर था उधर, तभी डॉक्टर का साथ में बैठे थे वो ऑफिस में। मुझे वो याद है कि वो जब भी मुझे इंटरव्यू लेते थे डॉक्टर साहब, तभी टीचर वहाँ बैठते थे। और उसके बाद में पहले मेरे साथ में जितना भी मैं मैडम के बारे में बात करेगा तो बहुत कम है, क्योंकि इतना साइलेंट टीचर बोले तो मैं अभी तक मेरे लाइफ में 35 इयर्स में काम किया तो ऐसा एक टीचर मुझे मिला नहीं है। बस इतना ही मैं उसको श्रद्धांजलि करते हुए इतना ही बोलता हूँ। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Mohan sir. Okay, we have Meena ma'am right now. Meena ma'am, please. Meena Unikrishnan.
Yes. Hello. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, teacher, Saturday teacher, everyone. See, yesterday I heard from Onam group. It was very sad news. Then immediately I told madam, there is a sad news. But the teacher gone. Yeah? So it was a very sad news. And then, if I remember the teacher, I will see it now also. I can see her that always she is in lab also. She is attached with science. She was the pillar of our science and technology. And she is very silent. She is very good, kind-hearted person. She was very good. And I pray God, let her soul rest in peace. Thank you.
Good evening, one and all. It was very sad to hear that Shilata ma'am is no more, because yesterday we came to know about it. She was a very loving, very soft-hearted. She was like a motherly figure for us. When we joined, we were very small. She used to always take care of us. She used to make us understand the things. She has done a lot for us. My heartfelt condolences to the family. And I really miss her. I love her. A virtual hug for her. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I can see AK Shringi out here. Anybody by the name AK Shringi I can see. Please unmute yourself. I think she's unable to hear us. Let me move ahead. Yes, Premjit.
Yes, good evening everyone. Srilata teacher was one of the finest teachers in our school, and she was down to earth. We were trying to get with her. We came to know that due to illness, she doesn't remember, which was actually a sad part. And then we came to know about her yesterday that she is passed away. So our heartfelt condolence to her family, and may she rest peacefully.
Thank you. I can see a doctor out here. I'm sorry, there is a code. It's 600 or something. Okay, I could see your doctor. Sir, I hope you're seeing me. No, I think. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead. Yeah, I can actually see. Yes, sir. Please go on. Your name first, and please. Unmute yourself, sir. Yes.
Yes,
sorry,
unmute.
you're still on mute, sir. You're still on mute. Can you just unmute yourself? Okay, so you're still on mute. I'm sorry. I think I have to go ahead. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, good evening,
yes,
everybody. Good evening, everybody. Myself, I am Samuel. I am from the batch of 89 and 90. We are from the first batch. And the moment I heard yesterday, we had received WhatsApps that our Sri Lata teacher is no more. So my heartfelt condolence to Sri Lata teacher, and also my heartfelt prayer to the hopeful journey of Sri Lata teacher towards heaven. And even my prayer for the family of the brave family of Sri Lata teacher. Sri Lata teacher, one of the, although she was a biological teacher, but she was good in drawing also. I remember the drawing of Sri Lata teacher, she used to draw a very good drawing of amoeba and all biological graphs. So even I am thankful towards all teachers right now on the Zoom, and even all the students who had taken good type of this thing to set up a good meeting on the Zoom.
We have to make it quick, sir. Yes.
Heartful condolence and deep prayer to.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, a quick one person. Syed, can we have something, some words from you before we go on to Srilata ma'am's son?
Syed sir, please unmute yourself.
Yes. Okay.
Unmute.
I think he's unable to unmute.
Okay.
Fine.
So we'll talk.
Yes, yeah. Quickly, we'll have Srilata ma'am's son. Can you unmute yourself, sir?
We'll have to unmute.
Okay. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Am I audible to all?
Yes. Yes.
A little louder, please.
So, first of all, a really big thanks to all of you to take this time out and be a part of this meeting. It's really overwhelming for me to see this kind of response coming from all of you. A special thanks to all the students of 99 batch who have taken that initiative to come together and form this kind of a meet right now. Also, it's really wonderful to see all of you guys talk and give positive verses for my mother. And I'm sure, as you all said, that she's silent and she's always been a very calm person. That's the same for me as well, because I've never seen her shouting at me as well. That's how she's always been. An amazing personality, a person with amazing patience and a lot of tolerance levels. That's how she's always been. So a special thanks to Shintu ma'am, Geeta ma'am, Ranade ma'am, and all the teachers out there, and all of you. I can recollect some of you. Rosalie Joseph is another person that I can recollect, where met her once in Narayan Guru High School. So special thanks to Ashu Beg. He's been coordinating with me. Thank you so much, Ashu, for taking that effort to coordinate for the pictures. I'm sorry I could not send you the pictures on time, but all of you.
My name is Yusuf, by the way, sir.
Yeah, thank you once again, and I hope that you keep her in prayers, and she has a wonderful journey ahead. Thank you all.
As Lindsay ma'am said, we are having a 1 minute silence right now. Everybody, please.
Daba 300.
Thank you, everybody, for joining.
Hello, everybody, dear teachers and my dear students. Yesterday in the afternoon, I was shocked to see the message by Aarti Garg on mobile about Srilata ma'am. I quickly switched off to the other group and informed the other group also. It was really shocking to know that Srilata ma'am is no more with us. I know her after she joined school. A very quiet, soft-spoken and always smiling. I used to admire her laughter. She used to laugh very nicely. She was loved by all the students, teachers, and it's really very sad to see that she is no more with us. On this occasion, I pay my heartfelt condolences to her son, her daughter, and hope and pray that her soul may rest in peace. I wish her family to face the sorrow and God give strength to them.
Srilata Satyashilan was a good friend, a colleague, a mentor to me. A very calm, composed and a very peaceful person she was. She radiated a lot of positivity around her, and the people around her used to always be happy in her company. We really miss her today, and I really hope and pray that her soul attains moksha, and my heartfelt condolences to her family, her son Shailesh, her daughter-in-law Sini, her daughter Shweta, her grandchildren. My heartfelt condolences, and may the Lord give them the strength to bear this great grief. Thank you.